Morning, dear students, how are you all? As you all know, in our previous chapter, we have learned lesson 10 are festivals. In this chapter, we have discussed what is the meaning of festivals and what do we do on festivals. We enjoy celebrating all festivals and have lots of fun. हम हर फेस्टिवल के दिन बहुत ज़्यादा मज़े करते हैं और हम अपने रिलेटिव्स और फ्रेंड्स से मिलने भी जाते हैं. We clean and decorate our houses and surrounding areas for all the festivals. हम फेस्टिवल्स के लिए अपने घर को क्लीन करते हैं और अपने घर को डेकोरेट करते हैं इवन आर सराउंडिंग्स एरिया. इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव लर्नड अबाउट फेस्टिवल्स and we have also discussed some of the festivals. In today's video we are going to discuss some more festivals. So starting with Holi. Holi is also a festival of colors. This festival brings joy and happiness in our lives. जो होली है इसे फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर्स कहा जाता है क्योंकि इस दिन लोग एक दूसरे को रंग लगाते हैं और कलर्ड वाटर एक दूसरे को के ऊपर फेंकते हैं with the help of पिचकारी. It is a festival of Hindus. Holi marks the end of winter and is the time when the wheat crop is ready for harvesting. जो होली होता है it marks the end of winter season or it's the time when the wheat crop is ready for harvesting. Holi falls in the month of March. जो होली है वो मार्च के महीने में आती है और इसे फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर्स कहा जाता है. People celebrate Holi by throwing colored water and colored powder on each other. इस दिन लोग एक दूसरे के ऊपर रंग डालते हैं. Bonfires are lit on the eve of the festival. जो bonfires होती हैं वो lit होती है on the eve of this festival. As you can see, people play with different colors and students and even children enjoy a lot during festival of Holi. Now moving ahead to Dashera. Dashera is also a festival of Hindus. Lord Ram defeated Ravan on this day. So we celebrate as a victory of good over evil. This festival is celebrated as Durga Puja in West Bengal. जो ये फेस्टिवल है दशहरा इसको वेस्ट बंगाल में दुर्गा पूजा के रूप में मनाया जाता है. फेयर्स आर हेल्ड एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस ड्यूरिंग दीज 10 days. बहुत सारी जगह फेयर्स मेले ऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं जिसमें रामलीला भी होती है और इसको क्यों मनाया जाता है to mark the victory of good over evil. इसलिए दशहरा सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. As you can see in the pictures as well. People decorate their houses with torrents and burn firecrackers. Lord Ram defeated Ravan on this day. So from the pictures you can see the festival of Dashera. Now moving ahead to Onam. Onam is the festival of Kerala. Onam जो है वो harvest festival of Kerala है and it is also called a festival of flowers. On this day people wear new clothes और जो वो खाना बनाते हैं वो मील को स्पेशली बनाना लीफ पे सर्व करते हैं. देखो आप जैसे पिक्चर में भी देख सकते हो. This festival lasts for 10 days and it's linked to many elements of Kerala's culture and tradition. जो फेस्टिवल है वो 10 days के लिए लास्ट करता है और ये बहुत सारा ट्रेडिशन दिखाता है केरला कल्चर का. People decorate their houses with rangolis. So students, in this boat race is a special element of this festival. So this is all for today. We will be meeting in our next video. Till then, revise it. Bye bye.